Aaron hasn't sold any shares, like a true ape. Even the CEO is holding. Even the CEO is diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Please, hit the like button. Please subscribe. And if you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, please check out my Patreon. Link in the description down below. AMC trading frenzy triggers halts as stock climbs more than 100%. A frenzy of buying of AMC Entertainment stock triggered several trading halts Wednesday, with meme stock traders fueling a surge of more than 100%. More than 500 million shares have been exchanged by early Wednesday afternoon. The stock is up more than 2,500% year to date. Okay, so this is just a summary of what happened to AMC today. Okay, this is about the CEO, Adam Aaron. He's kind of a hero now. This guy is on Twitter now. He's directly calling on the AMC apes to rally together and to hold. Well, he's not saying to hold, but he's pretty much the leader. He's taken initiative, and he's speaking out and encouraging the retail traders to keep doing what they're doing. And he's pretty much just sticking a huge middle finger to everyone, all the institutions that have doubted him and that have shorted him. AMC CEO Adam Aaron's wealth soared by more than $200 million from retail investor rally. AMC Entertainment CEO Adam Aaron has seen his wealth soar by more than $200 million since the start of the year, thanks to a retail investor-fueled rally, according to securities filings. Aaron hasn't sold any shares, like a true ape. Even the CEO is holding. Even the CEO is diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Okay, so he hasn't sold anything, but other executives have. So the insiders are selling now. I mean, that's not really a surprise. When the stock goes up this much, you probably should sell it, unless you're an ape. But hey, it's worked out so far. So altogether, AMC executives have sold more than $4 million in stock since the beginning of March. That really doesn't seem like too much. So, yeah, the executive team is getting rich. The apes, the retail investors, have saved this company and GME from bankruptcy and have made the executives filthy rich. And some of them are taking advantage of it. Some of them are cashing out. I guess Adam Aaron's really believes in the company and himself. So this is about Mudrick Capital, and I talked about this yesterday. Just the summary. Mudrick Capital, AMC did an offering for them yesterday for $27 a piece, I believe, and they sold at 30 something on the same day, and they made like 40 million bucks yesterday. Mudrick Capital may have missed out on more than $300 million by dumping AMC a day early. Yeah, so they made 40 million bucks yesterday by buying at 27 and then dumping at like 30 something. Went up 100% today. I'm not sure if they're mad. They're probably upset, a little bit disappointed, but hey, they made 40 million bucks yesterday. You really can't be that upset, right? I think they did the right thing. You know, they didn't get greedy, but this does suck a lot. They could have made a lot more. Could have made $200 million more, $250 million more. Logically, they did the right thing. But again, in this market, with this meme mania, sometimes you can't really use logic. I mean, there's really not much to say about this, because it's difficult to chart this. It's difficult to draw the new lines of resistance, because this is uncharted territory. This is the all-time high. Whoa, it's pumping after hours. What the hell? It's up to 70 bucks. What is going on? So, yeah, I can't really draw a line of resistance. I guess I can draw one right here at the top. Other than that, there's no data to go off of. This is uncharted territory. There's no other bars that we can compare this to. No other candlesticks. So, you know, it's really tough to say where this is going. If it goes to the upside, the next line of resistance would be 72.62, which is the all-time high, which it just hit today. And if this goes to the downside, you know, the next level of support that I have is like 37, but there's probably more levels of support before that. I just can't draw them because there's no data to go off of. The RSI is at 95, so really, really overbought and overvalued according to the technicals. That tells us that we can assume it's coming down pretty soon, but when it comes to these meme stocks, there's really no way to evaluate these meme stocks. By all traditional measures, this does appear like it's going down, but hey, it's a meme stock, it's AMC. We're dealing with apes here, so who knows what's going to happen. Alright, so here's BlackBerry. This is up 32% today. So yesterday I said it keeps testing this $12 level, and it seems like it's having trouble breaking that. But if it does, it can go to 14, and then if it breaks that, it can go to 20. So today it broke the 12 level. It blew through the $12 level, blew through the $14 level. Now it's trading in this channel between, the sideways channel between 1950 and we'll just call it 1430. And this is a pretty big channel, you know, a lot of room here. So if this continues to go to the upside, the next level of resistance would be 1950. Then I would say the next level of resistance would be 25. And if it comes back down, the next level of support would be 1430, and then if it breaks 1430, it can come back down to $12. So RSI is at 87, overbought and overvalued. I mean, it has been for the past couple of trading sessions, but it just keeps pumping, so RSI is even higher now. But again, this is a meme stock. Anything goes with meme stocks, so can't look into that too much. Not much more to say about BlackBerry. Insane volume today. Insane volume. 340 million volume. That's like the same volume numbers as round 1 in Meme Mania back in January. GME. Okay. So yesterday and the past few trading sessions, I've been saying the same thing about GME. I said it's consolidating in this channel, this sideways channel, this rectangle between 260 and 220. You know, I said either way this goes, there's going to be a big movement, because if it breaks 260, this can go to 350, and if it breaks 220, it can go all the way down to 150. So today we got some positive price action, and it broke 260. So in the next few trading sessions, this can go all the way up to 350. That'd be a huge upside. So the next level of resistance would be 350, then 380. And if it comes back down to the, if it comes back down, if it moves to the downside, it would go back to 260, the next level of support. And then if it breaks that, it can go back down to 220. And if it goes below that, it can go all the way back down to 150. So really nothing has changed about this. This is easy to chart because there is a lot of data to go off of. This is not like AMC. AMC, we're in uncharted territory, so nobody knows where the hell that thing is going. RSI for GME is at 73. So it briefly was in overbought territory, dipped down, and now it's back in overbought territory. But it's on the lower end of that, so could have more room to run. And again, with these meme stocks, you can't look too much into the technicals and the fundamentals. This is driven by momentum and speculation. So, hey, but I was right in predicting that GME was going to break out. Now we just have to see how much this breaks out. So hopefully this goes to 350. I hope it does, for everyone holding. If it breaks 350 and breaks 380, it's on the way all the way back up to 480. So interesting stuff here. I'm just going to sit on the sidelines, eat my popcorn. That'd be more appropriate for AMC, right? I wish I took positions in these things, but it's very entertaining just to watch it. I'm okay. I'm not going to FOMO. Okay, here's Bed Bath & Beyond, up 62.11% today. I actually was in this one in round 1 of Meme Mania, when it went all the way up to 40 or 54, came crashing down. I thought this was done, but apparently not. They had some news today. Yeah, so they're launching owned brands with Our Table, Wild Sage, and Squared Away. So they're releasing new product lines. So I guess that was, breaking news that caused a lot of positive sentiment, which then caused a gamma squeeze. So these lines of resistance are not definite. These are just possible lines of resistance because there's not much data to go off of. But what I have here is if this moves to the upside, the next line of resistance would be 47.70. And if it breaks that, it can go to, we'll just call it $50. And then if it breaks that, it can go to the all-time high of 54. Now, if this moves to the downside, it can come back to 41. And if it breaks 41, this can come all the way back to 33. The RSI is at 85. Pretty deep in overvalued and overbought territory. So, like all the other meme stocks, I would just caution everyone. If you FOMO here, that might not be the greatest idea. I mean, it may work. It's been working for the past week. But normally, FOMOing in here would be a bad idea. So, if you want to get into this, just be careful. Alright, so that's Bed Bath & Beyond. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, hit the like button. Please subscribe. And if you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, please check out my Patreon. Link in the description down below. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.